I'm going to show you a product we love to run on our Jeeps that provides rear bumper protection, convenience, and safety, and installs in just 5 minutes. The rear hitch slider fits conveniently into your 2x2 Class 3 hitch receiver, provides excellent skid protection coming off of large obstacles, as well as a convenient, solid step to help you up onto your vehicle. As mentioned, this fits easily into your Class 3 hitch receiver, and with the included hardware, is about a 5-minute install. Here's a look at the hitch slider installed in my Jeep JL. I'm running the OEM steel bumpers. Let me walk around the Jeep so I can show it to you from a few different angles. Our Jeeps are our daily drivers, but they do see some trail action now and then, and it's important for us to run protection and armor on them. The 392 is a new build for us, and this is a first shakedown run in Moab running steel bender. We're on only 2.5 inches of lift, so coming off of these sharp steps like this makes me a little nervous about dragging the rear bumper. And here you can see how cautious I'm being, learning the clearances with this new setup. As I mentioned, coming off of big steps like this, you have the potential of dragging the rear bumper. Here's a look at the rear hitch slider after running steel bender. You can see the contact I made. The good news here, I was able to come off those steep steps and land on the rear hitch slider. No contact with the bumper or my exhaust system. And here's what makes this rear hitch slider work so well. It's projected out just enough that when you're coming off of obstacles, it keeps the bumper clear and provides a great landing spot, taking the impact. Of course, your results will vary, depending on your vehicle setup and the trails you run. Now let's take a look at the convenience and safety the rear hitch slider provides. The hitch slider provides a convenient and safe step, allowing access to the top of your vehicle or to the bed of your JT, Gladiator, or Tacoma pickup. We love the access it provides to the rear roof rack of our Wranglers. The rear hitch slider is currently available for these vehicles. We consider the rear hitch slider a must-have on our builds. Perhaps it'll be right for yours as well. When we come in off the trail and we've had a few new scrapes on the rear hitch slider, we simply touch it up with some Rust-Oleum Satin Canyon Black or Satin Black. And you'll have your hitch slider protected from the elements and looking new again. Receive 10% off of any Rockside Engineering purchase using this code. Expedition Builds 10. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.